Hey guys, welcome back to Knowledge Lab CATIA practice model tutorial series. In this video, we are going to design this model you can see in your screen. So let's start. I will select here YZ plane and go for the sketch. I will take a profile and I will start like this. Come down like this and convert into arc and come little down and just make a close sketch from here itself like this. Now just go for the dimensions and give the dimension. Here I will be giving this value. This is 36. And from this point to this point, the overall dimension I will be giving here, which is 120. And this radius is 30. And we need to give a height. Height is 45. This is 45. You can see here it's not getting fully defined only because of this line I need to fix. So I will give the relation to this line, which is vertical. You can see here your sketch is getting fully defined. So come out from the sketch. Go for the command called pad, and I'll be going for the pad with the thickness of 36, and I will choose here mirror extent and just go with the OK. Now I need to go for the fillet here, so I'll go for the fillet. First I will expand it, and I'm going to use here tight tangent fillet. So click on this tight tangent fillet and select. You need to select here faces to fillet. So I will select this face and this face. Here we need to select the faces to remove. So in this face I need to select here and just go with the OK. Now you can see here it's got filleted. Now again we need to go for the fillet. Now this time we will be using the normal edge fillet. So click on the edge fillet and select this edge and give the fillet radius, which is 8 mm, and just go with the OK. I will select this top face and go for the sketch. Now I will draw here concentric circle like this and go for the dimension, and this circle having the diameter of 36 mm. Just come out from the sketch and go for the pad. I'll pad it up to 8 mm. So give the value here 8 and just go with the OK. Once again I need to go for the fillet, normal edge fillet, and select this edge. Give the fillet here, fillet radius is 5 mm, and just go with the OK. Now you can see here your model is looking like this, and I need to go for the command here right now called shale. So click on the shale command and select this face and just tilt it. Select this face. So this is the face I want to remove. Now I will be giving the shale thickness, which is 2 mm. So give the value here 2 mm and just go with the OK. Now you can see here it's got shaled with the thickness of 2 mm. Now I will go for the sketch once again. I will select this face and go for the sketch. If you are not comfortable with the visual mode, you can change it like this so that all the edges will be visible. I need to go for the command here first called project. So click on the project here. You can see you have the features here called project in this corner. So click on this. I will project this edge I'll project this edge, this edge. I'll project this edge, this edge. Now you can see. Now we need to go for the offset command here. So I'll go with the offset here with the 6 mm. So click on this, give the offset value 6. In the similar way I will do offset for this. I'll do offset for this. I'll offset for this. I'll offset for this. In the same way I'll offset for this. Now you can see here the sketch is getting fully defined. So you can do one thing, just come out from the sketch. I'm not making the sketch complicated, just I will increase one more steps. I'm not going to draw any more profile to this. I will just come out from the sketch and I will go for the command here, pad. Now I will just reverse the direction first downwards and give the thickness which is 6 mm and just go with the OK. Now you can see here it's looking like this. Once again I need to select this face and go for the sketch, make it normal to the plane and just draw a rectangle like this. So I will just draw a rectangle like this. So for this rectangle also we need to give the dimension. So go for the first I will give a relation, this line and this. Go for the dimension here, right click, give the value here coincident. Now I'll be giving here other dimensions. So I'll give this dimension from here to this line to this center. I'll be giving the value which is 60. I'll give here value 60. And I need to give here one dimension from this point to this. So this is having the distance from this point to this which is 16. So I'll be giving the value there 16. Now here also I'll be giving one dimension from here to here. Just right click, give the value coincident. I'll go for the command here, corner, click on the corner, select this and this, give the value here which is 5, radius 5. In a similar way I'll be giving here also 5. Now I'll select the entire sketch here like this and go for the command here called mirror. So just click on the mirror here and I want to mirror about this. Come out from the sketch and go for the pad again and just give the value here 6 only and just reverse the direction which is downwards and just go with the OK. Now I need to go for the normal edge fillet. I need to select this edge, this edge, and just go with the OK. Now you can see here your model is looking like this. Here I will just take a plane. I'll select this face and go for the plane creation. So I'll click on this and I'll be taking a plane at a distance of 60. So I'll just give the value there 60 and just go with the OK. So click on that plane and go for the sketch, make it normal to the plane. I need to create a sketch which is like this here. give the diameter of that circle, which is 24, and I need to give the distance from that edge to this center to this edge to this center, which is 16. So I'll be giving the value here 16. Now just come out from the sketch and go for the pad. In the pad I will select here up to next and just go with the OK. I'll select the face and go for the sketch. On that face I will create a concentric circle which is having the diameter of 16. I'll be giving the value there, diameter, which is 16, and just select this and this, go for the dimension, right click, give the value here concentricity. Come out from the sketch, go for the pocket and give the value here up to next and just go with that. Okay, now you can see here it's looking like this. Now here I will just do one thing, go for the normal edge fillet, this edge, and this edge, give the fillet radius which is 2 and just go with the OK. Now we need to create the rib, so I'll just take a plane here, so click here, I will just create a plane here, so I will just create an offset from this plane. I'll be giving the offset distance which is 34 from that plane, so give the value there 34 and just go with the OK. So take that plane and go for the sketch, make it normal to the plane. I'll just do here little bit zoom in. Now I will just start a line like this. I'll be giving here this and this. We need to give a relation here. I'll be giving here the relation tangency, and here I need to give relation this point and this end point. We need to give a relation here, right click, coincident. Now you can see here it's getting fully defined. So come out from the sketch and go for the command here called rib. Inside this we have the features rib, expand it and go for the rib. Now first task is to define the value. So here we are having the rib thickness of 4 mm, so I will give here the value which is 4 mm. Now you can see here its neutral fiber option is selected, so the thickness will be distributed equally to the both the direction, and just go with the OK. Now I will do the mirror of this rib, so you can select the rib from here itself or you can select from here itself. Select it and go for the mirror command. I'll click on this and I want to just do the mirror about this axis and go with the OK. Now go to the tools and hide all the planes here. I will hide all the planes and I will just change the visual mode here. So guys, you can see here your model is getting ready. So guys, hope you have enjoyed this tutorials. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get such type of more videos on CATIA and other CAD software. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.